Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, before we get started, let me invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yes, that's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so if you're interested, make sure you click the first link in the description below. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Very accomplished internet marketers who have gained millions of dollars over the years. Now, let's get back to the review of AI Whisperer 2024. Now, you can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So here's an opportunity to grab it, and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And when you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference. And the third bonus is that you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial point, folks. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with ease. And the fourth bonus will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Not only that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now let's get back to that review. In a nutshell, AI Whisperer is been produced by a ClickBank Platinum affiliate, and he shows you how to cut and paste AI tricks that made him over $542,490 in 2023. Now, that is quite an accomplishment. Now, here's some things you should know about this product. There's 25 plus training videos for 2024 AI. There's a step-by-step training on ChatGPT and more. There's proven strategies to earn $194 an hour with AI. There's a case study that shows you how to earn $100 to $3,000 a day. There is a leverage secret, which provides a free AI tool for profit. And it shows you how to make 100% with resale rights included within the package. And you can fast track your AI profits in 2024 with just one easy click. And you can get the elite strategies of top AI experts. So all of that is included within this product. Now, let's watch a 1 minute and 40-second video to find out what AI Whisperer 2024 is all about.
Imagine if someone gave you the cheat code to limitless AI profits in 2024. A key to an AI engine that makes me $400 or more every day, over and over. And all you need to do is paste a few words into your laptop. You copy, paste, and the proof just falls from the sky. And yes, this can work for anyone, anywhere in the world. And no, this does not require the usual marketing flunk. You know all the stuff you did in 2022? So, are you at all curious? Great, because this is different, easy, the biggest change to hit the planet since the advent of the book. And it means you can finally enjoy the internet lifestyle you were once promised. Look, I've made this as simple as humanly possible, or should I say, inhumanly possible. That's why this is the world's first copy and paste money-making AI. Even if you're brand new, don't have a list, you don't have a product to sell, and even if you don't have a website, you don't need one, because the AI will build them all for you, automatically. That is, provided you can copy and paste. So, can you do this? Can you copy and paste? Can you finally profit? Yes. So what are you waiting for? Click below to get started. You'll then be taken to the payment page, enter your information, and then confirm your payment. And you're on the inside. So, climb aboard. It's time to try something new. Time to truly enjoy AI. Okay, that's it. Thanks, and I'll see you on the inside.
Now, the sales funnel for the AI Whisperer 2024 looks like this. The front end is $17 plus, and that you will receive the 2024 blueprint. The first upsell is for $47, and you will receive 3 daily software. The second upsell is for $197, and there you receive the best of the 2023 mega bundles. And the third upsell is an AI-powered Google website for $97. The fourth upsell is resale rights for this product for $197. And the last upsell is for a mega bundle for $97. Now watch for the downsells. You will save some money, but you will get less product as well. Now if you need to know more, click on the second link below and get the full story. And before I go, please check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. My 3 coaches will help you work towards getting that $10,000 a month. And my 4 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. They show you how to gain recurring income online easily, and they show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time.